actually have one of our good clients and friend, Chris Collins, 765 LT McLaren in here. Seeing the wrap, the artistic platform he put into it and the care he put into it, it's really not even something you see from a lot of companies, and he killed it. He did a fantastic job. So we're actually laying down a paint protection film over this to protect the work that he just did. You can actually see where we've laid the paint protection on this fender and see how much contrast is brought into this versus just the vinyl, which is actually more of a matte sheen than this, which is a satin sheen. The depth that's added between the door and the fender, it's really incredible.
Other really cool vehicle Ron has that's on the other side. He has a Ford Bronco that was built by Icon, and I haven't driven that yet. So I think I'll let Dusty take this one back, and I'm gonna take the Bronco. There's something about a classic vehicle, resto mod, modern engine, air conditioning, and it's built incredibly well. Oh, there she is. Isn't that just the sickest Ford Bronco?
That is.
Let's go! You got a modern 5.0 in here.
I think I understand why you want to drive this now.
Dude, this is so dope. Look at this interior, just the cloth that's in here. So this is Ron's favorite vehicle, and I haven't experienced it yet. I mean, Icon just builds an absolutely incredible vehicle. I mean, you got billet knobs, there's billet stuff everywhere on this vehicle. Icon's just basically an aftermarket company that has taken this vehicle, and this is like one they really specialize in.
Got it.
Making resto mod, right? So they take modern day engine, it's got a new 5.0, updated transmission, AC, everything you'd want in a classic body, catalytic converters, all of the things that I find to be necessary to enjoy, you know, a classic car.
Yes.
And so to be able to even get this for under $200,000 to me, I think that's pretty incredibly priced, to be honest with you, because the amount of hours that had to have gone into restoring this thing completely, stitching custom seats. I mean, there's not one thing left untouched. I think $200,000 is a hell of a deal for this vehicle. I can see why this is number one, but I think that would be like even my number 2 and number 3, both manuals. You got your E36 and your E46, both in cherry condition. That one was actually owned by Paul Walker, which is pretty neat. Have you ever experienced one of these?
No, I have not.
They're neat, man. It'd be a hard choice.
So many. What's going on here?
Oh, just a little bit of shop truck maintenance. As you can see, I don't know what I'm doing, but we got a fuel line, return line. She's leaking some fuel. That's a no-go. We don't want to light ourselves on fire. We're back in business, baby. Wasabi's back and better than ever. Wasabi delivery!
Did you plug in the tornado?
Yeah, dude.
With the tornado.
Oh!
What are those? You can see them?
Come on, baby.
And that is the...
Oh, shit. Well, Wasabi's a rockin'.
Is it working? Give it a rip.
Come on, you piece of shit.
Watch your profanity.
Oh, shot something at me. It's pissed. Don't run it. We have an Audi RS5 getting wrapped today. I had to hand draw all of these tears to make them look natural, so I drank 4 cups of coffee before I was sketching it out. So I was really jittery when I was sketching it.
That looks all natural.
I'm not even kidding, that's real.
What we got here, Trevor?
We have got a partial Vorsteiner kit for this beautiful yellow Lamborghini Huracan we have, so that he can catch up to his brother in the carbon department with his 488 Ferrari with the full Vorsteiner kit.
How's the fitment going, Tanner?
You know what? I'm pleasantly surprised because I never have a carbon kit go this smooth, and this one actually fits. So pleasantly surprised. Good job, Vorsteiner. This here is carbon fiber. You can tell it's carbon fiber because of the way it is.
That's pretty neat.
That's pretty neat.
It looks good with the red eye like that though.
I bet it's gonna look amazing. Just gonna have to drive around with the axle lift up.
Stay tuned. Stay tuned? Stay tuned for next week. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for next week.